Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my GE electric stove. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the surface element right here. That coil called a surface element, and I'm going to show you how to replace this receptacle right here. This wire, you see, it's somehow it's like melted and burned. This is no good anymore. The surface element right there, see, that need to be replaced. I just ordered parts from Amazon. So this is this part right here, the wire called the receptacle. This is a genuine replacement part from GE Appliances. I hire a company. I think it's GE sold that division to hire a company, which is a Chinese company, and the part number is right here, WB2X 8228. So that's the part that you need. So when you order part right here, this is the genuine part. This is the what they consider an OEM, which is original equipment manufacturing part right here. OEM part. So if you want generic part, it's okay, but I prefer the OEM part. So this is what it looks like right here. This where, see, this where the surface element plug into. And make sure the wire is long enough. This is about 25 inches. So make sure you have enough, the length of the wire is long enough. If you don't have long enough, you cannot connect it to the back. So I'm going to show you how to replace this part. So this is a surface element right here. Surface element. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coil right there. That's the larger one. This is 8 inches right here. The diameter of this is 8 inches. So right there. Anyway, and the part number for the surface element would be WB30M2. To be safe, unplug this. Unplug this. It's a 240 volts right here, outlet right here, and plugged it, because you don't want to be working with electricity and this is still plugged in. You don't want to get electric shock. So, and this is the cover right here. We don't want the bottom one, but we want the top one right here. The back cover need to be off. There's a few screws right here. You have this one. This screw need to be off, and this screw, I think a few of them. Let's see, take this one off. This one need to be off. Phillips screwdriver right here, take this off. Now you can remove this cover right here. That's what you need. See, to get access to the control right here. This is the knob right here where you turn. The one we're replacing is the front one right here. This is the front one. This is the one we're replacing right here. So we're gonna place the receptacle right here. So this is the receptacle right here we want to replace. So there's a little clip right here. See a little clip? Just unclip that. Right here. And if you come to the back right here, this is the one we want to replace right here. Yeah. So this is the switch right here, the knob in the front. That's a switch where you turn on and off the stove, and you right here, that part would go into the switch right here. This. So pull it out. See, you need to just pull it out here and pull it out from the bottom. There's no polarity to this, so you can just alright, take the old part out. See how it burned out like that? Yeah, make sure when you buy the the receptacle, the wire is long enough to run from the front right here to the back. So see, this should be long, and that's about 25. Yeah, this should be around 22 to 25 inches. So now we take the old one out. It's all burned up, I see. That's good cost fire if you don't replace it. So now, down the bottom. Now we just go from the bag right here, and then just put the wire through. Yeah, put the wire through, and then need to do just plug into the switch right here. One go to the top. Like I said, I don't think there's a polarity on this. One go to the top, and one go to the bottom right here. Yep, push it all the way in, and then I'm going to just take electrical tape so that I'm going to tape this two up. Yeah, just tape it up so it won't be going anywhere. Right there. That's it, and now go from here. Need to take this screw out right here. I might as well replace the whole thing right here, the wire, receptacle, and everything out. Replace that little clip right here too, right there. Now just plug it in. Go from here. Yeah. Now just insert the right all the way in. Okay, plug all the way in, and then plug this in, and now turn on the switch to see if it's turned to high. See, is it working? You can feel it. It's gonna be burning. There's I think they coated with some oil, and there's gonna be some smoke coming out a little bit when you first turn it on. The surface element, see smoke coming out because they coated with oil. So it's normal when there's smoke coming out like that because. Yep, it's pretty hot. Yeah, it's very hot. It's working. Yep, it's working. We know it's working. Just turn it off, and now we have to put the cover back on. Yeah, come to the back. It's only 3 screws from the back. That's it. So easy to do. You don't need to be an electrician to do this thing. It's really simple. 3 screws from the back, and so thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.